our schedule, rough schedule for Framer when I'm estimating, what he's estimating. So they're follow-up subs, so it should work out. We're gonna get some more material ordered. Good old Framer list cardboard. LDL ceiling joist out here. Everything's set up on this side. This wall's actually shorter, so you can see our rafter detail is cut into there basically, versus that one's at a taller height. It's more for the architectural look on here, but we have a really big beefy crown that's going to hide these rafter details. From the family room, you can see on our rear side, our ceiling joists are flush there, but our rafters do come down. See it right here? It's a big plaster crown. Attic subfloor. There's stair landing. Well, the top of our stairs here. Subfloor is dropped a little bit. Hangers. Getting our attic level up. Got some temporary stairs up, which is to be a little different. We'll have, I think it's a 4 or 5 rise, then it has a landing, then another couple rise, then another landing, then another couple rise to the attic. So attic will be conditioned roof, so it'll be good storage. This beam and this beam will extend up past our subfloor, but other than that, it will be a flat floor. These guys got good progress on the fireboxes. Love that volcanic fire brick. So they're working their flues up. You can see the Sharpie marks, and the flue's got to kind of cut over because we got another fireplace up here. So they say today they'll have everything blocked up for me. Then me and my assistant Tim, we will form out our hearths. And we got a full slab through hearth as well, which you'll have your hearth over here and same thing on that other side. So a little bit of steel up here. All this stuff is spec'd by the engineer. So certain areas PSLs versus steel pack outs. A lot of this is weight rated for a slate roof still. So several of these PSL beams that you see will actually have PSL posts later. Like even the two down over there, they have PSL posts that support the valleys. So a lot of it is for the slate. Starting to get over winter now. We've been battling it. Just keeps snowing. Originally today we were going to pour our basement lower level slabs, but with this weather we can't have any water dripping through. So postponed. Time these guys get some rafters up. These have a really long rafter tail because we have a deeper garage overhang here. Some cool decorative brackets. About to get this other ridge set up. A 24-inch tall LVL ridge triple, beefy. is going to be a mess today. Snow yesterday, then rain. But we have all of our roof material that's going to be coming. It's a third of it now. Tractor trailer still coming, so got a decent amount of room, but want to get things organized out here. Take lumber. Just organize the yard a little. All got the fireplace laid out. It's a conference call at the same time, but Barry's going to continue his fire brick. Made sure everything was all centered out in the room the way we need it to look. They built up the block. We want to get this all pre-insulated, so do it solid rigid. Big old bridge. 24-inch tall LVLs. Ground filling. Some rigid setup. We have our 2-inch airspace still. Back out that whole wall with insulation. Machine it. Doesn't look like much now, but 2 flues coming up. Starting to core fill everything. We got our cantilevered hearth in 2 sides here that we're going to be forming the rest of everything up. So again, rebar in there, and then they'll pour this next week, so we'll have a full flat area all the way through here. Because we got a firebox here and a firebox over here.